Did you know you can get your phone repaired and your house spotless all in one place? Let me introduce you to Spotless Pearl Services. We get it, life gets busy. That's where Spotless Pearl Services swoops in. Need a general cleaning? Done. Laptop on the fritz? We've got the fix. Fumigation to keep your space pest-free? Absolutely, but wait, there's more. Need a new phone or just a quick repair? We've got you covered. Love oil perfumes? We've got those too. And if you need to turn heads with some LED mobile advertising, our rental trucks are just the ticket. Reach out to us at 0814 5899 045 or 0815 2349 701. Drop us an email at spotlesspearlservices@gmail.com. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Spotless Pearl Services, making life easier one service at a time. Because you deserve it.